I'll guide you through how to use AirPods as a wireless mic for video recording on iPhone. If you're looking to capture better audio for your videos, or you want to record from a distance without buying an expensive microphone and so you need to record with AirPods as your microphone, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. There are two methods to do this, depending on your iPhone model. Let's start with iPhones running iOS 26 and later. The first thing you need to do is make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone and in your ears. Once they're paired, open your native camera app on the iPhone and swipe over to Video Mode. From the top right of your screen, swipe down to open the Control Center. You will then see an icon for camera controls. Tap it. Under the Audio and Video section, select Input. If you don't see the Input option, don't worry. It means your iPhone is running an older operating system. I've still got you covered. From the pop-up menu, simply tap on your AirPods to select them as your audio input device. From the same camera control screen, you can also choose from different microphone modes to suit your recording environment. Automatic lets your device choose the optimal setting. Standard is the default audio processing. Voice isolation reduces background noise and emphasizes speech. And wide spectrum captures a fuller range of ambient sounds. To start recording, press the stem on your AirPods. To stop, press the stem again to end the shoot. Now, let's see how to do this in older phones before iOS 26. For older phones, you'll need a third-party app that supports a Bluetooth mic. My recommendation is a free app called Blackmagic Camera. Download and install the app from the App Store and make sure your AirPods are charged and paired with your iPhone. Launch the Blackmagic Camera app on your iPhone. Tap the Settings gear icon within the app. Scroll down to the Audio section and tap on it. Select your AirPods from the list of available audio input devices. Once your AirPods are selected as the audio source, just press the record button on the Blackmagic Camera app screen to begin and end your shoot. With these two methods, you can record with the confidence that your iPhone is capturing the sound directly from your AirPods. Now that you've learned how to use AirPods as a wireless mic for video recording on iPhone, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.